The phenomenon of motion is commonly known and seems to be one of the most basic and therefore difficult to define. In order to make it clearer, we need to define several concepts related to motion. Let's watch the movie. Indicate the objects in motion and the objects at rest. Notice that vehicles move when they have a green light. People and cars that have a red light remained motionless. When we describe the motion of objects, we use words like go away from and approach. Certain single objects or sets of objects that we perceive as motionless are called a frame of reference. Based on these frames of reference, we may describe the change of position of moving objects.